In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't click anything in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you're trying to click on any application and for some reason it's just not working, your clicks aren't working, it's very simple to go ahead and fix that. And you know it's not going to be your battery on your mouse just because, you can move it around and stuff, but you just can't click on anything. So what you want to do, this might just be a little bug. Firstly, you're going to need your keyboard. So I'm going to open up the on-screen keyboard like so, just so I can show you exactly what to press. I'm going to have this open so we can see everything. But what you want to go ahead and do is go over to search right here. And then all you want to go ahead and do is open up the task manager. Now you can also do this by pressing Control Alt Delete and then pressing tab or your arrow keys and going down and finding task manager. If I do that right now, it's gonna not show my screen. So I'm just gonna type it in right here and open it up like this. Obviously I'm using a mouse click, but what you want to do here is press tab, and what you want to do is go over to details. So if I, basically go down here, I can press details, then press enter. It's going to show me all the different things. So what I can do from here is go down the list of different processes. If I just want to go to this list right here, then what I want to do is go ahead and find File Explorer or anything like that. So Explorer is right here. And then all I want to do is go ahead and hold down FN on your keyboard, and then this button, which is going to reset your Explorer EXE. Once you do that, everything should be working properly, and it's as simple as that. Once you go ahead and click again, everything should be fine. If it still doesn't work, try and give your PC a reset, like a restart, and then it should be working again. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.